Hello everyone, this is V Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today is a butterfly mini album walkthrough, flip through, and I'm using this die by Scrap Diva Designs. It is the butterfly mini album die. You get this huge butterfly. You get 12 pieces, and oh my goodness, you guys, I just had so much fun. You also get this smaller version here. You get the spine as well. You also get the lining for both butterflies. This is Scrap Diva's information. It's scrapdivadesigns.com. She has an Instagram, a YouTube, and if you need to send a message, there's also a message area in her website. So go ahead and check out the hashtag. There's also a hashtag Scrap Diva Designs to get more inspiration from talented crafters. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and get on into this. Here's the mini album right here. It's such a cute mini album. Closed. This measures approximately 3 3/4 of an inch. And let's see how long it is. It's roughly about 4 3/4 of an inch. If you include the antennas, it's a little longer, and it'll be with the antennas, it's 5 3/4. So that's what that is. So how cute is this? I'm using the Flourish collection by Maggie Holmes. It's an older collection, paper collection. Here's the spine here. I added some roses using a die from my stash, and also added roses on the antennas. And I thought it really looked like a cute little way to embellish this butterfly body. This is a scrap lift from Amber at Bambi Deer. I will have her linked below as well. Here's the back of the album. I left it plain. I did do some stitching on each page. And so here's the front. I added some chipboard pieces, some floral chipboard pieces, a camera, a quail. There are a dragonfly, fussy cut. It says photo booth. And for the closure, it's seam binding, which I picked up from Etsy. Unfortunately, the Etsy seller did not have her information, so it came like this. So I do purchase from another Etsy seller, which is called My Scrap Cabin Shop. So I will have that linked below, but this is the one I actually use, and I wish I had this person's shop, but I didn't. It's a little darker. So I love the seam binding. I did glue it in between the pages. So let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay, you guys, the first page. Each page has a tassel. So all these charms, some of them were gifted to me by Puchy who's here on YouTube, as well as Janai, who is Happy Meal obsessed, and I also have some who were gifted to me by Angela, who is Pink Dragonflies. I will have them all linked below. Okay, so the first page here it is, you guys. I love it. I love it. Okay, so each page has a spot for picture and a spot for journaling, and they're all embellished, pretty much similar, just with different ephemera pieces. And I had a stamp here, so I included the picture stamp there, so you know that this is where you put your picture. So the pictures would have to be a circular shape, and you could do that with anything. Your dies, you could make a circle with an X-Acto knife and fussy cut it with an X-Acto knife, with a pencil and a tool, you know, one of those, I forgot what they're called, but they're math tools where it has a pencil and a pin on it. So you're able to make a circle that way and then fussy cut it. So yeah, this is what the first page looks like. And of course, this would be covered. You wouldn't see that as soon as you add your picture. But here we have a butterfly, some floral pieces. I did some rolled flowers here, some roses from a die from my stash. I have a little bug right here, and this page also comes with some charms. And so you could do some journaling. You can see there are stitching throughout this page. Okay, the second page is this one right here. This is the smaller butterfly that comes in the set, and I just used it for a journaling piece. It also has a tuck spot here. I have a quail here that's a sticker. You put your pictures here. I did some fussy cutting for the florals. Here's a sticker here that says plant kindness, grow love. I absolutely love it, you guys. And again, some more stitching. Next page is this one right here, and also using the miniature butterfly wing here. This is for journaling. Here is a rose, a butterfly, some more charms on each side of this page, and a tassel. I also use this ladybug. How cute is that? Fussy cut, and a chipboard piece for a lemon tree or a lemon tree branch. I just love it. This is where your picture goes. And that's it there. Let's go ahead and get on to the next page. So again, some charms on each side. Here's a bead. This is the pictures on the right hand side now. Here is some ephemera pieces, floral sticker and ephemera piece. Here is a rolled flower along with some ephemera piece flowers. Here is where you put your journaling, and then another ephemera piece, and you can see there's gold stitching everywhere, even on the spine, so everything has stitching. I love this stitching right here where I just sandwiched both of them together and went over it with the machine. Okay, this next page is with this little bunny rabbit. He's a fussy cut, and I just love it. Look at those rosy cheeks. I have floral ephemera piece right here. This journal piece does come out, and I did die cut this out using Scrap Diva's Designs smaller mailer box, and I will have that linked below, but I used the lining for that box to create the journal pieces. So again, this one comes out. I did staple some seam binding on there, and I also did some zigzag stitching on it, and that just tucks right in. I had to leave it like so because of all of the pieces here. You wouldn't be able to journal at all there. So here's a flower that I made with some dies from my stash. Here is an ephemera piece. Both of them are ephemera pieces. On the right side, here's where you put your picture. I do have a charm here, a little bird, a little ball here with some stars. I also have some gold ephemera piece that's a vellum piece. I have this chipboard here that's pink florals, and then the lemon sticker, which I did do a zigzag stitch right down the middle, and the background is blue. It's a floral blue. I just love it, you guys. Look how cute it is. I love this. So this mini album would be perfect for summer if you go to a garden, if you go to any type of summer mini vacay, or if you just go to the lake or the park. This would be perfect to just include that snippet of memorabilia there. So here is where you put your picture. We have a sticker here with some zigzag stitching on it. Here's another sticker that I stitched the bird only, and on the other side there's a tuck spot with a dragonfly here that I fussy cut. Here's a vellum ephemera piece, and this flower here was gifted to me by Love Pink Dragonflies in a personal swap. Also have an ephemera piece here, and I have some more charms on this side here, a butterfly and a ribbon, a bow, and again a bead. Okay, you guys, we're almost done. I have a tassel for the charm here, and as well as a bow. So on this side, there's a little area here where you could just stick your picture in to glue it onto that cover there. And I have some floral pieces here with zigzag stitching. I also have an ephemera piece here that shows you different types of butterflies along with a fussy cut butterfly and some stitching on it. And the last page here is where you write your journal. And this is a sticker which I also stitched on. I also included a fussy cut flower in the background, which I also stitched, a rolled flower, and a fussy cut. Both of these are fussy cut flowers. Yes, they are, and I stitched them both. And here are some charms, a butterfly and a ball right there. So that is the album. I want to show it open all the way so you can see how cute is this die. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at that open. It's beautiful. I love it. You guys, all the links will be linked below. If you have any questions, let me know. And hopefully you guys will create one of these as well. I had so much fun making this little butterfly mini album, which I will be making more mini albums because I absolutely love it. The process goes so fast, you guys. Well, for me it does. It took me about 3 days to finish, and that is with only crafting in the evenings. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you gained some inspiration from me, there is a discount code for you. You could use mine, and that is V10. That's VEE10, and that'll save you. So this concludes the video, you guys, and I will see you in the next video.